Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. And it's the first time Bridget is coming to a village market. So we take her to village market to let you see what it's like. You know what I mean? So the Jam Tours Africa is live and active. Cold Stone. You eat it already, Al? The Cold Stone ice cream. When you compare to Devon House, it don't match. It don't match. So family, if you don't want to catch a Jamaican walk, you have to check with Al. Jamaican, we walk on bunks. I'm a Jamaican in Kenya. Oh yeah, I am not a legal alien in Africa. Yeah, family, so you know what I mean. Let's go this way. Yeah, this way. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah. Yeah, family, so it's on the other side. This is the old side. Also, they have a newer side. This is the old side of Village Market, family. Now, here, so now is like the new side. This is where they just build this side. Yeah, we can go here. Yeah, we can go here. Yeah, family, so you want to experience the Jam Tours Africa and Kenya. Anywhere, and you can walk anywhere. We'll catch you now. We have a place called Zucchini. We get fresh juice. I'm gonna show you that. We get fresh juice and stuff. Yeah, so it's nice on the weekends, yeah. Yeah. It's not far, just around it, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go down here, so I'm gonna show you guys here where we can get the natural juice here and then come up. Yeah. Natural Mystric. Yeah, fam, so when you come to Village Market and you want your natural fresh juice, you know you have to check out. Why are them closed? Hey, they're closed. Hey, them closed. Well, let's go on the other side up here, so yeah. So this is Village Market on a Monday, family. It's actually Monday evening. And as you can see,
and that means they might close early because
it's a Monday, yeah. But weekend is the best time to come.
Yeah, that's the weekend. Come on the weekend.
You come on the weekend. Yeah, man. We come as a regular Bridget, like all the while. This is the popular restaurant CJ's. Have you eaten at CJ's?
yeah.
So you have a CJ's there.
Friends.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, you can go up here. You have a West African restaurant here now. I always say I want to go there. Maybe see if they're open. The West African restaurant. Let's see if we can check it out. We eat some West African food. Yeah, family. So this is Village Market. It's a big mall, as you can see. It's a big mall. Yeah, it's really the right place. It's just up. We must say we walk up.
Yeah.
And that anyways.
But when you go up, you go bowling.
Yeah. And when you go down more,
that's where you walk, now we're down.
either walk down and come up.
Yeah.
But no, you actually.
Chinese restaurant.
Yeah. We have to know you just can go down.
Yes.
Yeah. No, I forgot this one. This one, yeah. So I'm celebrating Valentine's. BNR. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we're actually here at the village market. Oh, them start celebrate Valentine's already. Well, you know, we not celebrate Valentine's, family. We not celebrate Valentine's. They have a baby shop. Yeah, family. This is village market and a Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day in village market. Oh, LTU, yeah. I normally shop at LTU.
Yeah.
I feel I need to get a toothpaste. I wonder if they're open. There's a LTU there. Let's go inside.
There you go. So when we leave, when I get my LTU, yay!
I want to go and get a toothpaste there. LTU over there. And I'm going to get non-fluoride toothpaste.
Me too.
It's called Desert Essence. But they've actually closed it. Close it.
But you can do that. Yeah, Hello is it? They sell it in here.
Yeah, they sell it.
They sell it there.
They made it from India. That one, they have the charcoal and neem and all this. Yeah, family. So we're heading to touch the golden stool. So Bridget, this is the golden stool. All our West Africa food. From Senegal come all the way. West African food spot. Falafel. Yeah, man, right there. Yeah, taste of West Africa. Yeah, see the fish, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Alright, so fish.
Yeah. You guys have a checky here? Yes. I would like a checky with fish.
Welcome.
Yeah, you want? Yeah, man, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat outside or inside. Yeah, fam. So we are at the golden stool. The corner chair there, so. The corner chair over there, so better, man. The corner one over there, so. But that 4 hours still, but when you see traffic of people go moving and moving, let's sit on that one. But this one nice too. Anyway, fine. I think this chair is more comfortable. Yeah. More taller. Yeah.
I saw you brought another.
Yeah, I brought my friends.
Okay, you eat it already, Ricardo?
Yeah, my regular spot.
Regular spot, blood clean. Yeah.
I have to see you.
Yes.
Last year for real, huh?
Yeah, family. So we are Bridget there.
That's where you were coming. Where are you like?
So you like fufu and goat soup?
Do you like rice and pan?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, fish, good fish.
May I do the fish with a checky?
Fish with the chicken.
Yeah.
Fish, man. What is that chicken?
It's
Oh, fermented.
So
It's like couscous.
Like a mix of.
Oh, is this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
But what else you have? Other than that, what else you have?
Chicken.
No, other than a checky, what else you have?
I check. We have jollof rice.
Mm-hmm.
Plantain.
have yam.
What kind of yam? Is it white yam?
We are the white yam.
Let me have the white yam with fish.
Yeah. So I do the fried yam or boiled yam.
Boiled yam.
Boiled yam.
Yeah, with fish.
So instead of the
I'll check it.
I do fish with fried yam. Big boiled.
Boiled. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we had to go to Golden Stool.
Hold on 1 second.
Eh?
She said nice that because
Nice.
she said nice that because she sit alongside and
Come on, let's do it again. Let's get it. Where did it end?
call this a Jamaican.
It was nice. That's how
Connection.
we had just
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Yeah.
It was amazing. It tastes so good. But where we have the dinner rice at? Do you know where we are?
We are at
Garvey
the
restaurant.
Golden Stool.
Yeah, West African Western
We had
restaurant.
Golden Stool.
And you know, not golden.
Golden. Yeah, family. So this is the end of this vlog.
It's Golden Stool.
Yeah,
Okay.
Golden Stool. This is the end of this vlog, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend. We are in Africa. I want to inspire you to come for an experience like this. It's unforgettable.
That's it. You done?
Yeah, guys, we are out. One love. One love. God bless.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Yeah, family. So we in Kenya. We are check out the bowling alley. The bowling alley. It's Valentine's and we are celebrating it already. Bowling alley. You know luck. You know luck. You know luck. Village market. It seems like the place all closed, my youth. What do you think?
Yeah.
In yours? Yeah, we got it.
No, we are because it's outside.
Yeah. Yeah, we can come that way. This is not the way, but. Yeah, family. So we're there. And we're there at Village Market on a Monday night.
And I can cook.
All Jamaicans.
Don't worry.